However, we are using the designs. I will try to explore the different options. So these are the picture here we have. Let's create some designs. Use the shapes here. Make an attraction. I will try that shape. Let's have a structure again. There it's a different gradients and layer style we are using for it. I would have paint there. So I will try the different shapes.